Benefits of a hot bath. Contributes to mental health. Some research shows that hot showers can help stimulate changes in the brain that increase the secretion of hormones like serotonin. Relaxes your muscles. Immersing yourself in a hot water tub can help improve your circulation, which will reduce muscle tension. Improves your cardiovascular health. An immersion bath in hot water, at a bearable temperature, can help enhance blood flow in patients suffering from heart failure issues. Assists in falling asleep. This is because the temperature helps relax and soothe both the body and mind, which is very convenient for preparing to fall asleep more quickly and peacefully. Do it in HomeX.